Meaning of housebreaking.
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 Housebreaking. Housebreaking refers to the process of training a domestic animal, typically a dog, to urinate and defecate outside or in a designated indoor area. Successful housebreaking leads to a cleaner and more comfortable living environment for both the animal and its owner. The process often involves a combination of positive reinforcement, consistency, and patience. A fully housebroken animal understands where and when it is appropriate to go to the bathroom, which can be a significant advantage for pet owners who want to avoid the mess and hassle of accidents indoors.